Today we will tell you about a miraculous incident that took place in Haifa city of Israel. A blind devotee of Jesus lived in this city. But one day such a miracle happened you will be stunned to see. In the village of Haifa city there lived a man named Daniel. He lived alone in a house. His parents had died in his childhood. When he was 19 years old and was working in a company, he met with an accident. And in the same accident, he had lost both his eyes and he could not see anything. So he stayed at his house the whole day. And his neighbors used to do work of eating and drinking. But in such condition, he was very upset. Although Daniel was a devotee of Jesus since childhood and he had full faith in him, Daniel kept a photo of Jesus in his house, and the whole day he was praying to Jesus with the photo of Jesus in his hand to heal me or give me death. One day a man comes to his house. Daniel hears a voice that someone has come to his house, and he says who it is. Then the man says, I have come from the neighboring village, so I heard about you. I have come to see you, and I have brought along a herb which can bring back your eyesight. Told Daniel to lie down here while I apply herbs on your eyes. When Daniel lies down, he applies the herb to his eyes and says, Now you rest, I will come to see you again in the evening. Daniel suddenly falls asleep, and later when he wakes up, his eyesight comes back. He is shocked to see, and afterwards Daniel becomes overjoyed. Later he comes out of the house and tells everyone that the man who came a while back had applied herbs on his eyes and said that your eyesight will come back. And really now I can see everything. Which of you had seen that man? Then people say that since morning we are all in this vicinity, no one had come to your house. For a while Daniel gets lost in thought, but later Daniel understands that Jesus had done this miracle and thanks Jesus.